Tinks figured out that the foot was something fun to play with. Now she just needed to figure out the glass door. He has every dog toy on the market, and he loves them all. But the thing that gives Puppy the most comfort is his binky.
How the heck did you get into this mess?
I don't know, I used to fit just fine. Sure, I packed on a few, but I do that every winter.
Okay, come on, buddy.
Come on, pull! No. It's not a nugget yet. You got this, Billy. You are ready for the big slide! Someday he will figure out there's a difference between his water bowl and the toilet bowl.
Where's your mommy? Ace.
It happens several times a month. Karen went missing, and Ace knew exactly what happened. She accidentally locked herself in the dog cage again.
Okay, come up here. Come on.
When Biscuit was a younger dog, this didn't require so much preparation.
Come on, let's go.
Come on. Yep, get a longer run at it. Come on.
Come on.
There you go.
Birthday to
Make a wish.
chop, chop, chop.
It was an early December morning when a family rose to discover part of their Christmas tree had been eaten.
What do you think it was?
They all sort of assumed it was Romeo.
Did you eat the Christmas tree, Romeo? What's in your mouth?
Sparkly food?
Did you eat the Christmas tree? Did you eat half of the bottom of the Christmas tree? I thought I could trust you.
Well, think again.
Come here. Come here. Pepper? Come here.
I'm with Pepper. With a tone like that, I wouldn't come here either.
Come here. Come here now.
Easy there, lady. It's just some trash.
Come here.
Come on, you go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. You show me. You show me what it is. You show me what you did. No. You keep going. Yep, you show me what you did. What is it?
Oh my goodness, that's horrible.
You know where it is, don't you? Come on, let's go. You show me.
Oh wait, that's not it?
Show me what you did. Turn the light on. Show me what you did. Lily.
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 Oh my goodness.
Is that what you did?
Oh, Lily. You're in the doghouse now.
So, who chewed up the pillow?
I don't think Ellie did it.
Ellie? Mabel? Look at Daddy. Who chewed up the pillow?
Could have been Mabel.
Mabel? Did you do it? Darla.
Darla did it.
What happened to this? Huh? What happened with this? Did you chew this?
Under unrelenting, repeated questioning,
Did you do that? Huh?
Spanky finally confessed. Hey, you guys would tell me if I had a goat stuck in my tail, right?
It looks like
Raider!
Oh my God!
Can't keep it. Yeah, he's cute, but you gotta let him go.
Little boys were always grabbing Leo by his tail. Frankly, he had had enough.
Stop squirming, let go.
That time Bentley found her new favorite chew toy. And it was Kira.
Come here, Kara.
Go long! The last place you want to stand during a game of fetch. Behind Curly. You people were warned repeatedly, but you just don't listen. I know you know the rules. No cocktails in the pool. When Duke's head goes horizontal, that's when you know you've found the spot. Almost, almost. There it is. Someone's happy to see you. Might do a rain dance to get a storm started, but when you want the precipitation to stop, you send Buster. His dance never works, but he seems to like doing it. It was the perfect day for a walk. Until it wasn't. Chloe tried her best, but there was no way she could catch every raindrop before it hit the pavement.
Get the rain, Chloe, get the rain.
We don't talk enough about what a perfect habitat a pumpkin makes. It was Frankie's favorite toy. He'd played with it for hours outside, so it figures he'd want to take it back in with him.
No, Frankie?
A rainy day means slick roads, slick sidewalks, and slick roofs.
Don't do that, Bobby. Oh! God, the cat just went bye-bye.
What you doing? How can you watch TV like that, huh?
That time Sophie's favorite stuffy made her miss all of her daytime stories. They loved taking Hazel on road trips, but they never got great gas mileage with her in the back. All that wind resistance, you know?
We're gonna go for cheese. Okay. You gonna jump and clap too?
This is what Justin's made our kids into over cheese.
You think this is bad? She also drinks from a bowl.
Okay, here you go.
Cheese for Jammer, cheese for Kaylee.
Bender and Puff were far from friends, but no one ever expected it to get this heated. You'd like to think it was an accident. But clearly, it was premeditated. Grace, thy name is Bambi.
I got that on tape, Bambi.
There are lots of differences between city cats and farm cats. Farm cats only eat organic. Don't let anyone tell you what you can or can't be when you grow up. Hudson's gonna be a weather vane. Travis figured if he stood outside watching his dad do yard work, some of that grown man energy would rub off on him. To be fair, Dad reacts the same way to bugs.
Chili's a good boy. Yes,
Chili is a good boy, just not a good brother.
Chili's a good boy.
What you doing?
Put your hands up if you freak like me. Throw your hands up if you freak like me. Throw your hands up if you freak like me. Throw your hands up if you freak like me. Throw your hands up if. Put your hands up if you freak like me.
All right.
It takes an expert fisherman to catch both a catfish and a fin to the face.
Oh, slapped him. No, I didn't slap him. He's down. What?
Ooh, where does this go? Time to dive into a winter wonderland.
See the cats.
After that first step, there's nothing left for Pickle to do but explore.
Watch him. Go, buddy.
Kitty loves the swing, but don't push too hard. Maxwell had behaved all autumn long, but he could no longer resist the temptation.
Maxwell, where are you? Maxwell! There you are.
No one can outlast the draw of the leaf pile.
Where's Maxwell? Good job.
Now keep your eye on the elephant. I know, right? Magic. Behold the awesome power of my auto electric reconfigurator 3000. Eureka! That time, Squiggy wanted to play with Marvin. But the feeling wasn't mutual.
Oh! Like goldfish. 2.
But goldfish is a Lola treat.
This is my goldfish.
You seem to keep missing Lola's mouth. Maybe if she gets closer.
It's my goldfish. This is so not fair.
You want to talk fair? Lola's still going goldfish-less.
I'm here.
I bet he's having that dream that he's on Puppy Island where the dogs are allowed to sleep on sofas and eat as much lunch meat as they want all day long. What? Hey, wow, awesome. Dreams really do come true. It was the best squirrel deterrent the Hendersons could hope for. By the time it stops spinning, it'll be too nauseous to eat any seeds.
Who's been eating my whipped cream?
I don't know. Ask Bella. Treat for Mitzi. Thank you. I can tell you're a cat person. I have a seat at the table, free treats. Just admit it. You love me more than the dog. Treat for Mitzi. Oh no, Scratchy's cooking breakfast again? Ugh, I'll just have some toast.
I know the word to make them stop everything they're doing. Ham?
Huh?
Ham?
What now?
Would you like some ham? Would you like some ham?
Let's go! Hey, don't pull that.
Walking on this runway with a strut. I'm not to think up in the clouds so high. 'Cause I got the spotlight. Lights, camera, action. Go get a picture right here. Got a one-way ticket going up.
The birthday sin.
Cha cha cha.
Number 9, tailgating goat. Number 8, the tail of the finger bite. Number 7, round and round we go. Number 6, the blind spot.
How can you watch TV like that?
Number 5, the passive aggressive nap spoiler. Number 4, going catfishing. Number 3, see you later. And number 2, a tale of 2 pups. Number 1. Maybe it is a good thing little humans don't have tails. It would make them extremely vulnerable. It does make it more convenient to move them around, though.
You okay? Are you okay?